Hello, this is Jason, and I just got to Ubud, and I'm going to show you my new room. So first, these are my chairs. I can come out and sit on the balcony. And here is the room. Let me step back. You can see here. It's actually a little bit smaller than my last room. There's the door. A couple little chairs and table. A little mini fridge, which I didn't have with the other one. I had a fridge outside. And this is very nice, having your own filtered water system. And they stock the fridge with Cokes, and there's a mini bar price list that's actually reasonable. This is cheaper than restaurants sell the stuff for, so not bad, not bad. The bed looks nice. We'll test that last. A little wardrobe with safety box at the bottom. And oh, look at this. We got a welcome drink.
Yeah. Are you keeping?
Yeah, here's fine. Very nice. What is this drink? Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Okay, anything else?
That's all. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you. I hope you enjoy staying here.
Thank you. Yeah, I think I'm here 10 days. So, a little flake of something in there, but that's fine. Lime. Let's try this drink. I'll mix it up. It's got some green and pink. Looks like it doesn't mix very well. Sweet and sour. The top pink part is sour, bottom green part is sweet. It's good. Nice welcome drink. And it looks like they gave us a little towel here. Yeah. Ooh, it's cold. Cold towel. Oh my goodness. That is refreshing. Oh, it took me 2 hours and 47 minutes to get here, and it's 18 miles away. That's how crazy the traffic is. Be sitting in traffic for like half hour, and then it would go for 10-15 minutes and hit another traffic jam, because the roads are so narrow that like only one car could go by. They have to keep letting people cut in, so it's ridiculous. They really need an overhaul of their road system here. All right, let's get back to our tour. We got air conditioning, of course, and trash can, laundry basket, and then here's the bathroom. And look at this. Big old bathtub. So they don't have a swimming pool here, but I could still take a nice bath every night. So that's nice. And toilet. It's not a Japanese toilet. It kind of looked like one, but it's not. It does have a bum gun though. It's just out of bum gun pressure. Not nearly the pressure of the last place, but it'll do. And they got a blow dryer. And the shower is like right here over the toilet. So I'm not a huge fan of that, but it is what it is. This is interesting. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Let's see what we got in here. Some more toilet paper and stuff. Very cozy. I do like the bathtub though. It's very nice. I'm gonna give you a shot from over here. All right, now our last test is of course the bed. All right, this one's not as comfortable as my last one. I'd say it's more comfortable than the first one. And then of course Intercontinentals on top. So this is the second best bed I've laid in. Let's try the pillow. The pillow's good. Pillow's good. The bed's just a little firm, but not so firm that it feels like you're laying on plywood. It's got a little bit of give to it. All right, well, I'm gonna unpack and probably go get something to eat. I've not ate anything yet today, and it's 2:50 p.m., so it might be time to go get something to eat. So thanks for watching this video. Quick video just showing you my new digs, and I'll see you in the next one. So talk to you later. Take it easy.
Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it.